Good evening. This is the start of the second week of the most extreme measures I think there's ever been imposed in the UK since the war. So I hope you're managing to cope, and I hope you found some way of having some enjoyment over the weekend, although things for all of us have been very different. Two issues I want to cover tonight: that of care for older members of your family and our community, and also the announcement of Scotland Cares, that national call for volunteers that's gone out today from the Scottish Government. This question about caring for your own folk has come up regularly, and really people are asking whether the council's home care services can cope at a time when there is more people than ever needing a service, and so many of the staff that we have are either self-isolating or they have challenges themselves with health issues. So I'm just, and we've been asked so often, can families step up and help? Firstly, I would like to say that the organisations in Orkney that do home care and help are all coming together in a really creative way. That's Crossroads, Age Scotland and the Orkney Islands Council Home Care Service are teaming up at this time to see if they can share resource to make sure that they can provide the very best service for older people through this situation. And we're absolutely delighted to know that so many Orcadian families, people across are starting to look after their own older people directly, and that's really useful and very, very valuable to release the members of those teams to go and support others at this time. But what we would say is we would like you to be really mindful of the national guidelines. So we're asking you to do all the things that you know you should, keeping your distance, washing your hands, being extremely careful as you enter and as you leave and as you're dealing even with your own family. And what we would ask you to do is just give a quick call each day before you visit, just in case your family members or the people you're caring for might have some signs, some symptoms, and if you yourself have got any symptoms of the virus, please call our services so that they can go and supplement and visit for you. I think that's a really important message for you to get today, and some really important guidelines. But we're delighted if people are helping, because we certainly need as much support as we possibly can so that every member of our community has got needs so that these can be covered. And the other issue, which really kind of ties into that, is that you'll have heard today that it's been announced by the First Minister in Scotland that there is a new initiative called Scotland Cares, and it's really looking for volunteers who'll come in to the health and care services to support. And you will know that there's been a telephone number or a contact given there to set up a whole community reserve volunteers system. In Orkney, we have some of the highest levels of volunteering in the country, and a lot of that has been done through Voluntary Action Orkney. And I would just like to tell you that they are still there and available, that if you want to sign up with them, you will be ending up doing exactly the same things, and it might cut out a bit of bureaucracy if they can get your name direct. So their telephone number is 01856 872897. That's 872897. If you want to volunteer, give them a call and they will direct you to the place where you could be most effective. Their email is inquiries@vaorkney, that's one word, vaorkney.org.uk. They will be delighted to help you to sign up for what you want. We know that a number of people have asked since the humanitarian centre was set up. A number of people are phoning in to say, can they help? Well, please phone through to VAO and you will be given the process to be able to sign up as a volunteer. And what I just want to finish up with today is saying we've had our first confirmed case of COVID-19 in Orkney. This is real for us now, and doing all the things that we should will help us to do the things that the Prime Minister is saying time and time again. And I'll just rehearse them for you, which is stay at home, protect our precious NHS, and save lives here in Orkney. Thank you.